All right, finally. I forget that I have have to connect my microphone or else for some reason the microphone on my laptop doesn't pick anything up, which is fucking lame. Anyways, let's get back to it. And yeah, I was looking at NZD CAD. I'm kind of over NZD CAD. Here's UGPY. I'm only gonna do this for like 15 minutes. I'm gonna go to sleep. But 15 minutes is all I need. Now, this is looking decent. No, look, daily bias is telling me that it's bullish, right? But let's go on the 4 hour. Now, just based off of this information, it's a bearish bias, right? Now, this is the thing is where two momentums fight each other, right? So I've got the daily. And look, I'll even just start from the beginning of 2022, which is like right about here. Right about here. All of this bullish momentum versus this bearish momentum, which one is stronger, right? So that's kind of what I'm dealing with now, right? Also, what information is relevant? Is information from just this year relevant? Or maybe let's do this. Let's go ahead and do 6 months, which is happens to be right about there. July, June. Now this changes everything, right? Just based off of this information, it changes everything, right? It's still bullish bias because we have a this low right here, right, touching this support zone. Then we have a higher low touching the next support zone, which is also a resistance zone if we're looking at it from right here, right? Now, this is the 4 hour. Yeah, was I on the 4 hour? Oh no, I was on the daily. Nice, 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 nice. Now we have more information. Boom. Just based off of this, now it looks like a bearish bias, right? We have this low right here touching the support zone, but it did uh, made a higher high right here, and then all of these stayed the same. One, two, three, four even came back up a little bit in decision right here, and then boom, just dropped to the bottom. Now, if we're looking at just this, it's a bearish bias. Now, going into the 1 hour, it's still a bearish bias, in my opinion. Motherfuckers, man, my bad. I'm thinking about some other fucking bullshit. Um, but this isn't a viable break and retest just for the fact that price just completely broke past this zone, this daily zone, then decided to touch this support zone and then come back up, and then now it became resistance, right? And there's this giant wick right here showing hella rejection, which is actually a pretty good indication that market may be going down from here. Now, after that though, price closed above this candle. Then it showed us this big uh engulfing candle right here. This candle right here is going to determine a lot whether it closes below this candle or not. I want to see what happens. 24 minutes though, I should already be asleep by 24 minutes if I'm being honest. But I'm going to just keep looking at it. I'm just going to keep looking at it cuz but I really feel like that's going to happen. Really feel like that's going to happen. If not, what, that maybe, or it'll come back up and then come back down. Right, so we got three possible scenarios right there. GBP JPY. Let's go into the daily zone. Daily, see what the heck we are working. Overall, daily bullish bias, cool. Already got that out the way. Bounce off fit, break and retest, still valid to enter. Let's see what I was talking about here. Okay, these are older trades. I could get rid of those. All right, and then here, um, price. Hmm. Oh, let me delete this too. Hmm. So price broke past this resistance. I mean, my bad. The support zone. Going to the 1 hour. Some more information on that. Cool. I don't know. It's kind of 50-50 on this market. I'm not too sure. There's a good pull on both sides of the bears and the bulls on this. So I'll be ready for anything. It's a clean how do I say it? It's not very choppy at all. Like this market right here has good retraces. When it's going in a certain trend, it has great retraces. For example, this uptrend retracing back down, right? And then continues up and it'll retrace back down. Then it'll continue up and retrace back down. That's what I like to see because I feel like the best setups are like that. I mean, obviously the best setups are like that. You know, choppy markets are too dangerous. I don't I tend to stay away from them. Choppy markets and consolidated markets or prices stuck in consolidation zone. I'm not messing with that. Here again, price overall is doing a overall downtrend right here, but it still has its pullbacks. See, pull back up right here, continuing down. Overall, it's continuing down, right? But every once in a while, it'll have a pullback up. Boom, 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 right? So I love GBP JPY for this reason. Um, there could be a super valid setup within these next couple of days. I mean, even this was a valid setup. Respected the daily zone and then continued on the downside. That's like a beautiful break and retest right there. If I can get another one coming down to this 4 hour support zone and it breaks and retests it, then that's another valid entry point for me. I'm gonna go ahead and do that for sure. And the same thing with here if price shows more if price shows more bullish bias, then I'll get that alert as well. But this would be best case scenario for me. I'd definitely get into something like that. Euro USD. Euro USD. I have so much history with you. Not valid. Oh, daily bearish. Perfect. Perfect. I could just do that. Okay. 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 Cool. Daily bearish bias. I'm on the 4 hour already. Okay. No, I'm not. Price stuck in this zone right here. My zone isn't too clear. I'm actually gonna redraw that real quick. Bitches think they funny, I swear. All right. Boom right there. And one right about, yeah, I'd say right there. That's cool. Kind of looks like it's stuck in between these two now that I'm looking at it. But overall daily bearish bias, if price manages to break past this zone, I'm gonna go ahead and take profits probably about right here. If anything, maybe right there, but we're just gonna have to see. Then this is also valid too. Price did touches this zone one, two, three times. And when price meets a daily or really any support or resistance zone, when price meets any daily support or resistance zone, my bad. When price meets any zone multiple times, it is continually getting weaker and it is a high probability that price will break past that zone. And although, let's see, I'm going on 1 hour. Let's see, price. But see, it's tricky here because then is price consolidating or is it just testing this resistance zone? Right, so 1, 2, 3. But I could also look at it the other way too, and it's like price hit this support zone 1, 2, 3 times and then decided to break or here perfect break and retest situation going on right here. That's so beautiful. And then came back up, came back inside though, you know? Wow. Okay. Um wow, look at this right here. Jesus. I don't see too much on this though. If I'm being honest, I'm leaning more towards a consolidated market more than anything. Oh, look it. Get the heck out of my face. Get out of here. AUDCHF, still consolidating, man. When did I put these here? Man, I put these here. Oh my God, this market is so ugly. Oh no. Ugh. I haven't even taken any trades on this market. AUDCHF, you're booty. I'm sorry. Check out this alert. I think I'm gonna call it a wrap just about now. Um, what's a daily bias on this? It's looking like bearish as of right now. Price did gain a lot of bullish momentum since latter days of September. Too many support, too many zones for my taste. That's good enough right there. I could also take. Oh fuck. Oh, that's cool. I fuck with that. I'm kind of mentally out of it already. I'm not gonna. Oh, wait. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this real quick. God damn it. Too viable. Let me put a third. Fuck it, why not? Let me put a third. Boom. That could happen as well. All right. I'm just gonna put this right here. All right. Bear. I like to just put bull or bear just because I like to know. I like to know. I don't like to just get an alert crossing whatever number, right? GBP USD bull. I'll be like, okay, it's cool. So that means I was looking for a bullish move. Or maybe I just don't want to look at the numbers. Really. Crossing 1.2 and then I could just look here, but it's easier that way if I just type in bull or bear. That being said though, I think I'm done. It's 8:45 already. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow. I want to catch the not the London session, the New York session, which opens at 6 a.m. I'm gonna be up like 5:30 or so. Um, uh, the overlap of London and when is the overlap of London and New York session? I actually don't even remember, but that's when the markets are the most volatile. My eyes look weird right now. But the New York session is also super super valid and it's the one that I can do really cuz I'm not going to stay up till 12 to trade the London session, man. Fuck that. I'd rather wake up early, work out, and then trade or do whatever I have to do. Really, I'd like to trade before I work out. That'd be ideal because my mind is just super clear when I wake up, super fresh. But yeah, all right. That concludes this video. Yeah, more trading tomorrow. I'm gonna record some more tomorrow. And this game is just a game of patience, and I'm not gonna say the most impatient person, but I do like I like getting things done, to be honest. I like getting things done. And I was thinking about it like, man, I used to draw. I used to love drawing. And I still love drawing. I'm not gonna say I used to. I still love drawing. But I never really cared for finishing a drawing. Of course I was gonna finish it. I always finish my drawings. But it was more so I want this to be done as best as I can, so I don't care how long it takes. And you know what? It's time to apply that to trading. All right.